Alright, ClickChauffeur drivers, in today's tutorial, I'll show you how to edit a flat rate in your booking module. Editing your flat rates allows you to keep your pricing up to date and accurate. Let's get started from your dashboard. First, navigate to Packages. This is the section where you manage your flat rates. Find the flat rate you want to edit and click on the pencil icon next to it. Modify the desired information, such as maybe the name, copy the price, the area of the vehicle. Anyhow, modify the desired information. Anyhow, once you've made the necessary adjustments, click the Save button to apply the changes. That's all there is to know here. You've successfully edited a flat rate, ensuring your pricing is accurate and up to date. Keep your pricing competitive and your clients satisfied. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.